Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the BMS A079 error code on your Tesla Model 3. First, we will perform a hard restart. Sit inside the car and use the touchscreen. Tap on Controls, then go to Safety. Scroll down and tap on Power Off. Confirm that you want to power off the vehicle. Once the screen turns off, do not touch anything in the car. Do not open doors. Do not press the brake. Wait at least 2 full minutes. This allows all systems to completely shut down. After 2 minutes, press the brake pedal to wake the car back up. Check if the error code has cleared. If the issue remains, the next step is a 12-volt battery cycle. Open the front trunk and locate the 12-volt battery. Carefully disconnect the negative terminal first. Leave it disconnected for about 5 minutes. Another method is battery calibration. Drive the car until the battery level drops below 10%. Once it is below 10%, park the vehicle and let it sit for about 1 hour. After that, charge the battery all the way to 100% without interruption. This can help recalibrate the battery management system. Finally, you can reset the high voltage connector. Lift the rear seat cushion. Locate the orange high voltage connector, usually on the passenger side. Carefully disconnect it and leave it unplugged for 5 to 10 minutes. Then reconnect it firmly. Thanks for watching.